All right, to my people, and welcome back onto this channel. No be small something, still on the matter, my people. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly waiting they be, exactly waiting the people them they talk about. To my brother, my sister, it don't sharpen. Yes, we don't talk this thing many times. Say many people, no one believe them. We talk say this one will be say our Yoruba man, na him be president. This one wey be say na our Yoruba man na him be president. At least the people don't try their best to say okay, make these people make them listen to us, make we forgo our separate ways. They no agree. Make Yoruba go our separate ways. Then say no, our mouth it dey smell. Okay, now he get this information wey be say they reach us. In fact, this one it no be good news for the Yoruba people at all. For all of una wey be na they shout to say na Yoruba local. Say na Yoruba time. It don't happen. It don't sharpen, my brother, my sister. Now see this man wey at the show now in picture. So this man, his name na Dan Bilki, commander in a APC chieftain for Kano. This one, this man don't come outside though. You don't talk and say, as far as this election is concerned, we be say them vote for the president. Where President Bola Ahmed Tinubu enter. They can't talk and say we are not going to repeat the same mistake of voting for Tinubu in the 2027. Meaning, as the president Bola Ahmed Tinubu did here, so say na mistake then do we be say then they vote for him. Now they try to tell us say na them vote for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to do that position. But the problem now be say the regret now be say na big mistake them do to take voting for this man today for this Yoruba man. Now you don't come finish for there. The one way come pay me well we come shockalize me. Now him be the one way be say this man can't talk say once it's a 2027 as a hard shape day for the country. I mean, he never even reach 1 year. Now many people wait be say they don't buy. Now don't see as things it take cost like Olori Buluku. Now see as things take cost, they never reach 1 year. But now then they tell the Nigerians say they must complete their 8 years. Now in they talk say they must complete their 8 years, meaning after this one where we did 2024, now we did 24, 25, 26, 27. After they don't complete 27, they call tell us say they must complete their other 4 years we remain, but no be the president Bola Ahmed Tinubu na him go dey there. Say na go make sure say them put the vice. In vice na him go come as the president of Nigeria. According to waiting this man when they see so they talk. According to waiting talk, he say we are not going to repeat the mistake of voting for Tinubu in 2027. We are voting for Kashimu Shettima, and then if APC delegate fail to give us Shettima, we will turn against the APC come 2027. And then the person we talk this one in name na Dan Bilki, commander in APC chieftain for Kano. My brother, my sister, now your eye it go sharpen. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá ojú yín ó máa já. Èèyàn kan sọ pé ojú yín máa bó. Now ṣebí we dey talk am say this one wey be say our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu in dey there wey dey represent Yoruba man. Let there be an opportunity. Let us be able to remember something that when this man, our Yoruba man was there, we were able to achieve this in Yoruba land. At least Yoruba nation people don't come outside. They talk say make Baba Tinubu make sure say Yoruba nation, Yoruba people then go their separate ways. Say because these people where you they see. In fact, some people even they talk say they go complete 8 years, but they don't know say the 8 years where then they think say they go even complete it. No before with Baba Tinubu the northerners one time. My brother, my sister, I don't know if you are comprehending. Hey, I don't know if you are understanding. Chibuzo, Iwatago. This thing wey be say dey happen ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi ṣe ń gbọ́ bó ṣe ń lọ. Ṣó ń yé yín? Ẹ jẹ́ kí n la etí yẹn má jẹ́ kán gé tí yín lọ láì ṣàṣàkẹ́. Now, the koko now be say everybody need to wake up o. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ jí ẹ má sùn. Na wetin I dey always dey tell my people be that o, make una wake up, make una no sleep, because this thing wey be say e dey happen, make una open una ear. This man don come outside. All this one na the Fulani people wey we dey talk about. Shebi una dey see their eyes. Now they say dem dey regret say dem put Baba Bola Ahmed Tinubu for that position to become the president, abi? Say na big mistake dem do. Say after this 4 years o, say dem no go allow am to continue because dem wan make sure say dem put their own person wey be the vice president now to come become the president of Nigeria. Say if dem no gree, bí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ àwọn máa da gbogbo everywhere rú ni. All the one wey be say dem dey do now, my brother, my sister, that one go be like tips of the iceberg. My brother, my sister, wetin dey sup o? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi? Pé lè tẹ yìí rí pé pákan ń bá yín ṣeré ni pé tó bá di 2027 tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá gbà fún wa kéèyàn ti wá wọlé. Ó mà ṣe o, ẹ̀ rògo láì dé sẹ̀lẹ̀. My brother, my sister, that is why we dey talk am say like this o, make our presido, our Baba Bola Ahmed Tinubu shine eyes. Make e shine eyes, so no matter wetin e don know, the kind cooperation wey e don cooperate with these people, maybe I don't know wetin dem sign, make you know say the life of the Yoruba man is more important. Many people dey react, many people dey para unto this one latest development wey dey happen. Wetin dey sup, my brother, my sister? This one no dey gel at all. He come talk say like this o. Say if dem no gree, if this APC people no let am work, dem go scatter everywhere. These people no go use all mouth to tell you now. They say dem go turn against them. Wetin that one mean, my brother, my sister? Now everybody need to wake up. We dey talk say make we go our separate ways. I don't know, our Baba Bola Ahmed Tinubu make e listen to the cry of the Yoruba people, because wetin dey happen for inside the Yoruba land no be better thing at all. The way wey be say these people, they don't set them inside the Yoruba land, make them the kpai all Yoruba people. My brother, my sister, no be better thing at all. With the way this thing take dey go, my brother, my sister, no be better thing. Now everybody need to wake up, because like this no be like this we go dey day. See as dem dey kpai Yoruba people small. Ṣé ń rí bọ́n ṣe ń pa ọmọ Yorùbá díẹ̀díẹ̀, bọ́n ṣe ń pa wọ́n díẹ̀díẹ̀, kò dẹ̀ sẹ́ni tó ń sọ̀rọ̀. Everybody dákẹ́, everybody quiet, nobody dey talk anything. Our monarchs, I don't know what they are doing. All our obas, I don't know what they are doing. I don't know where they put their hope. I don't know. As if they have another land that they can go to. Yes, una go say una want travel go wetin dem dey call am, una want travel go abroad. After na don go abroad, no matter what, ajo kò lè dàbí ilé, ẹ máa padà wálé náà ni. Now, come tell me how una want to make the unborn children, the generation unborn, how una wan make dem take live? Because there's a Fulani people wey una dey see, so they no dey joke o. Shebi una dey hear wetin this man dey talk now. Dem say dem go turn against. Omo, if person use that word say he go turn against you, now means he wan fight you be that o. He wan drag you be that o. Meaning na do or die. And they come ask me why be say these people then they leave their region, they come Yoruba land, come they tell Yoruba people say na dem still get that land. Shey you don't think am before? You don't try make you think am. Say why these people say they won't take over? Because they don't talk am from beginning that they were born to rule. They don't talk am say dem must rule una. And then now make you come think about wetin dey sup. Una go see say this vice president wey dem call Shetima, for a very long time ago many people don talk many things about this man. Say this man must not even join politics, let alone becoming a vice president. And at the end of the day dem choose am. Say I don tell una this thing before, say the reason why dem choose this man no be because dem wan make e be vice president o, no be because of that o, but because dem know say na him gangan go fit fight for dem. Na him be their candidate wey be say go fit rule to turn Nigeria to the strong Islamic nation wey be say dem dey plan. My brother, my sister, this one no be joke at all o. This one no be joke at all o. Somebody come dey talk am now say make our baba presido Tinubu make he try make he help the Yoruba nation. Yoruba nation na him be the only solution as we dey now, because e dey say Shetima wey you dey talk. As this Shetima wey you dey talk, so this man in record e get as e be o. And this man no dey look back. If una go gawk on herself, if una notice now, una go see say this man wey dem dey call Shetima, him dey do gentle like say him no know anything. If you tell am say follow right, him go follow right. He go dey smile, him eye go dey blink like say nothing dey happen. Hey na 3 times I shout hey o. My brother, my sister, ó léwu. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni tó ń pè ní Shetima yìí ó ní ewu gidi. Òun gangan ṣó yé yín, òun gangan ni àwọn olùdarí àwọn Fulani dẹrandẹran tí wọ́n ń pa àwọn èèyàn lọ́tún lósì. Ó ti yé yín ẹ̀yin tèmi. Exactly wetin I dey tell una. Make all of una make una shine una eyes. Yoruba nation must be achieved. Na the time be this. Somebody dey talk say Yoruba nation is the only way, na him be the only solution. Let them underestimate Tinubu in 2027. Na wetin somebody talk. Okay, make we dey watch and see. But one thing be say make e no come be thing of adaino. Say shebi una dey there now, wetin una come do for una sef? We gave una a whole 4 years na no help on herself na gok. It will not be the portion of the Yoruba. Abeg make you dey say amen for there, because this thing wey I dey talk e dey pain me. This thing wey I dey talk so e dey pain me well, because I no understand wey be say the Yoruba people dem no fit gather themselves together. The elders make them talk true to themselves. Okay, now see this one na just chieftain wey dey talk so. Na chieftain for APC. Na him dey come outside come dey fight for him home people. We still dey just 1 year never complete inside this one. They never even rule the 1 year finish. In the rush say make it complete, make the vice president enter, so that all the things wey they request for e go dey work out sharp. Hey my brother, my sister, this is one wey I dey tell una so e no funny at all. Me I no say make I no go say e no go funny. No, e go funny in Jesus name, but e no funny as e be now. If all our Yoruba people no wake up on time, ọmọ Yoruba ẹ jí ẹ má sùn. Ẹ jí ẹ má sùn. Ṣeré ń bí yìí. Nǹkan tá à ń sọ yìí ó wà very very important. Because as it stands, my brother, my sister, if care is not taken, a lot of things will go wrong. For everyone that has been shouting Yoruba nation, no going back, you need to start propagating it now. The more, it's no longer a joke, because these people, they are not joking at all. At all. It's only the good Lord that will help us all. Well, my brother, my sister, still on the matter, Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly waiting they be, exactly waiting the people them they talk about. If this one are your first time, my people, will be say you they join us for this channel. I beg you, make it subscribe or thumbs up or like it, and then share this update until we'll see again another time. I say on a bye for now.